Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or
Malika,
and what are we doing? Oh, and today this is a different video, but I'm going to be doing like a yarn dump type of video. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to explain it. I don't even know why I just said that. Anyway, so we have a lot of yarn to sell, so instead of like saying it in a random video like we're selling yarn, I'm actually making this video so you guys can see all the yarn that we're going to have. And by the time this video is out, the yarn will be available to purchase. So I'm gonna in this video I'm gonna show you guys all the yarn we have. I'm gonna show us sorting it out, putting it in bundles. I'm gonna show us putting it on a website, taking pictures and all of that. And then, like I said, by the time this video is out, you guys will be able to purchase it, and then boom, because usually I have the people that follow me on Instagram first. Like, I post first on my Instagram, so mainly people on my Instagram get it before you guys can. So instead, this time I'm gonna have it so you guys can have access to it first, and then later on I'll put it on Instagram for them to get it, but I'm prioritizing you guys. So without further ado, let's get it. We have all the yarn. We just gathered actually a few more bags like this and this. But anyway, now we're just gonna dump everything, and then we're going to sort it all out by brands and fiber and just stuff like that. You guys see. So let's get it. Get it. All right, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Guys, so we organized everything. That's all the yarn. So this is the acrylic scrap bundle type of thing going on. This is hand-dyed yarn. This is cotton scrap. This is wool scrap. This is yarn I got in Vegas or something, and I just ended up, I'm not gonna use it, so I was like, I might as well sell it. This is the Red Heart acrylic section. This is Wish Air. This is Drops Air section. This is Andes. This is wool, and this is, I have absolutely no idea. My mom had it. It's cotton and acrylic blend. That's what we got going on, and this is only knitting for Olive. So that's what, oh my god, that's what we have so far. Yep. Okay guys, so we organized it into the actual bundle. So that's one bundle. We have 19 total. So that's a Lily Sugar and Cream bundle. That's just a random acrylic wool bundle. That's a hand-dyed yarn bundle. That's another hand-dyed yarn bundle. That's Lily Sugar and Cream again. Wool bundle. Jody Long, I think that's what it's called, bundle. Happy Sheep. baby wool bundle right there, impeccable bundle, red heart bundle, jumbo red heart bundle, this ice cream cotton blend bundle, another baby wool bundle, Andy's bundle, air bundle, another air bundle, another air bundle, Andy's bundle, and another bundle.
I don't mean to flick y'all off, I'm sorry.
And that's all the bundles we have. So now we're going, oh my gosh. So now we're going to package all the yarn up. And I already took pictures of it. So we're gonna package it up, weigh them, and put them on the site. Let's get it. Guys, so those are the packages. We packaged everything, and now Kalila is going to put it on the website for you guys to buy it. So again, by the time this video comes out, it'll be ready for you guys to grab. I just showed you guys the process of us putting everything together and all that stuff, but that's it. Goodbye. That's all I have to say. Bye. Okay guys, Kalila finished finally after like 3,000 years. She finally put everything up on the site, and let me show you guys. So we have everything. We have everything that we're going to job, but it's in jobs right now because I'm gonna wait until I post this video to make it active for you guys, so the people on Instagram don't steal it before you guys get to get it. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I forgot my outro. Since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
Please don't talk to them.
Be quiet.
They do not want to talk to you.
Bye.
I'll see you guys later. Bye.